Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to sell on Amazon from Alibaba. So there are a lot of ways to do this actually. There are a lot of different methods such as contacting the suppliers from Alibaba and then having them be the supplier for your shop on Amazon. But in this case, we're going to talk about more of a manual thing. So, the way you want to do this for this manual thing is you are going to want to look for products that exist in both Amazon and Alibaba. Well, actually, not necessarily. So, let me give you an example. So, I'm on Alibaba.com right now. So, let's say I want to sell this on Amazon. By the way, when you're choosing your products, you want to make sure that they have a lot of ratings, they are verified, and for the most part, they have been around in Alibaba for a long time because these good ratings, 13 years, and they're also verified. This is reducing the chances of you getting scammed. So, let's say I want to sell this product. I'm going to open this up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to recreate this page on my own Amazon account. And then, so I'm going to copy, well, not necessarily copy word for word here. You can use your own, SEO and whatnot. You can use the same screenshots and everything. But the point is, I'm going to copy this over to my Amazon site, right? So you're going to copy this over to your Amazon, mark up the price a little bit for profit. And once somebody orders from you, then you can go ahead and get those details from the customer. And then you order it from Alibaba, but enter their shipping address. So it's kind of it's a very manual drop shipping sort of thing. You can also do it yourself, like order it for the customer and then ship it to them, but that's going to cost you a little extra in shipping. But that's the very basic idea. So as I said earlier, there are a lot of ways to sell on Amazon from Alibaba. This is just one of them. This is the manual method. But if you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.